Welcome to Later Than We Think. In this episode, we finally leave La Cruz and set sail for Tenacatita, Mexico. If you like this channel, please remember to show your support and subscribe. Thanks a lot.
We have a beautiful sunset tonight. It's just so brilliantly orange. Unfortunately, this video won't show it, but it is just really brilliantly orange.
Oh yeah, he's walking the bottom.
You're watching the dancing horse?
You order your meals for pasta o botella?
That's the crap.
Is that that same black
The
horse?
horses are coming down.
The young one?
Amigo para ti.
Yeah, that one we had him 3 years old last year.
What is your name for
Pretty boy.
You want me to rate it?
Is it a Corona Light? It's a Corona Light. Corona Light for the horse.
You don't want to be
Oh, look at that.
No, they're for my horses.
Muchas gracias, amigo.
Okay.
You're filming me in my underwear.
Yeah, why not?
It's hot!
And we have one soldier down.
She's off watch. She's taking her nap.
No, she's one soldier down. And we are rounding Cabo Corrientes.
Yep.
Hopefully. If I can get this camera to work, that would be it over there somewhere.
A beautiful sunrise after a very calm night. A good first night passage for Mum. We were joined by a pod of dolphins, who stayed with us for about an hour riding in the bow. Dolphins never get old, and they are good luck, so we really enjoyed it. Jackie's going to try and go for a paddle. She may go for a fall. We're not really sure. She's not quite used to this new board. There she goes. Paddling away. Hopefully eventually she'll come back. Otherwise I'll be cruising by myself. I'll have lost my adventure buddy. Oh, try not to look so serious. Look like you're having some fun. Try smiling. Enjoying the water at Tenacatita. Unfortunately, I can't go in just yet because I'm filming, but I also need to make some water so we can have a shower later. What a terrible place. We love it here, actually. The water's beautiful. The light was right. We could see the bottom because we're in about 15 feet of water. And this morning I saw the anchor chains running right underneath the boat, right under here. So, yeah, you see 15 feet down? Sorry, bug. There's the odd bug. But, you know, it's just a beautiful spot. So we're just going to hang out here for a few days in lovely Tenacatita, play bocce ball on the beach, drink too much beer at the Palapa, and, you know, all that sort of stuff. Good night's sleep. The next morning we get up and go for a snorkel off the entrance to the mangrove swamp. I don't know why we were diving here, we just thought we might see something different. As you can see with the water coming out of the mangroves, visibility is not so grand. But we give it a cold college try anyways. Later I decide to go swimming off and see if I can find a crocodile. Fortunately I didn't. So with nothing to see, we have a little swim and later up anchor to a new spot further out on a reef. Our new location is further out along the reef wall. And as you'll see, the visibility is much better. Unfortunately, not that much coral or fish to see out along here. The local guys got to make a living, and they've been fishing it pretty hard. What are you doing, oh no girl? You're what? Sleeping? Sleeping on her new board. Having fun in the sun. Thanks for the thumbs up. She's so animated. So this is the entrance to the estuary going into at Tenacatita. That's Eric and Anna on Dances with Winds, riding it in as best they can. He's actually doing a pretty good job. Go, go, Eric, go, go, go. Oh, no, wait, he's gonna, oh, geez, that's gonna break right on the back of the boat. There we go. Oh, that was almost a disaster. Me and Jackie have been up this way 4 or 5 different times, so everybody nominated us to go first. And these stupid buggers from Double Deuce and Leahona thought it'd be safe to follow me. I told them there were little crocs in here. Little did they know that there's 10 or 12 footers down in this pool. Camera test after I doused it.
Yes.
Dopey.
It still works, thank
Apparently
God.
it's still working, thank God. So this is at high tide and a lot narrower than it looks. At low tide, it gets even narrower. This will give you some idea how narrow it actually is with the boat following it behind. Imagine meeting a 10 or 12 foot crocodile up this little canal. There's no way in hell I'm getting out to push this boat. If it gets stuck, we just stay here till the Navy comes. Or it's somebody.
Remember by the
There's
list.
Poncho.
Yeah.
He's the owner of the tequila factory. And we're going to go on a tour. And there's the birthday boy, Ron. Say hi.
He's busy.
He's busy filming.
There we go. All the colors you got on with the carrot and everything,
Yeah.
you're perfect.
Hey, Chris.
Nice.
What do you have on that?
It's called a dead cat.
This is called a dead cat so that it doesn't, if you have wind noise.
Wind noise.
Dead cat.
I don't want a dead cat.
What? It looks nice. It's a dead kitty. Thanks for watching, guys. We had a great time in Tenacatita. In our next episode, we travel a little further south down to beautiful Bar de Navidad. If you like these videos, please remember to click like, subscribe. You can also follow us in multiple places, Patreon, YouTube, the rest of it. See you soon! That's making movies.
No, I don't want a movie. I want a photo.